I bet you won't get another bit off. Oh, come on. You did.
Mr. Kaneki?
Good morning, Madam Clerk.
Who you here on?
I have two PCCs on a Mr. Greer or Greer and Vasquez.
All right, neither one of them are on.
I'm willing to waive their presence.
Okay. Mr. Polk, who are you on?
I'm here on Fitz.
You said Pitts?
Yep. You don't have a DeMarcus Fitz?
No, not on Judge Giles for today.
No?
No.
Okay. I'll check it out. Thank you.
No check back, so I'll call.
Oh,
This is recalling case number 2356794, people of the state of Michigan versus Maurice Jones.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Leanna Belcher, P80177, on behalf of Mr. Jones, who's present in person.
Jones, can you state your name for the record? Maurice Jones. Thank you, sir. All right, this matter is set for a competency hearing. The court has not received a report as of yet. Have the parties received reports?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, the defense has not.
All right. We're gonna have to adjourn the competency hearing. We'll contact the Center for Forensic Psychiatry to see if we can get a report. I'm gonna put this over to October 2nd at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
yeah. I'll give it to him.
He wouldn't know how to get into it.
Oh,
I was gonna tell him to talk.
okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah, you're good. She gonna give you some people that she
All right, Mr. Davenport, are you there?
Yes, I'm ready, Your Honor.
You turn on your video, please. Can I have that thing?
Thank you.
This is recalling 2356794. People of the State of Michigan versus Maurice. Oh, okay, we just did. I need Davenport's case, which is
Oh.
Taylor.
I'm sorry.
Okay, this is case number 2358380. People of the State of Michigan versus Perry Lee Taylor. Appearances?
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Your Honor. Curtis Davenport, P82678, on behalf of Ms. Perry Taylor, who is present via Zoom.
Ms. Taylor, can you state your name for the record, please?
Perry L. Taylor, Perry Lee Taylor.
Thank you. All right, you send this matter for exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, August 28th at 9:15.
Let me check really quick. That should be fine. Yep, that's fine for the defense, Your Honor.
Okay,
That's fine. I mean,
all right, anything else?
Just one more thing. I have received paper and digital discovery. I'm not sure if the digital discovery is complete. I have submitted a discovery order, but I have gotten some body-worn cameras and stuff like that. But I am seeking everything. I think there might have been a Ring camera that I have not received, and just make sure we have interrogation videos if there are any.
I believe that you have everything that we have at this time, but I will double check that.
Everything that you have or everything that there is? What's the difference?
I'll check to make sure that that's everything there is. He does have everything I have, but I'll check to make sure that
Okay,
that's everything there is.
all right.
That's all for defense, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Let's conclude the hearing. Last opinion.
Calling case number 2357755. The people of the state of Michigan versus Eric Velasquez. Defendant is charged with count 1, carjacking, count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, count 3, motor vehicle, and also driving away. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Madam Clerk, is there another APA zoomed in on the today or
For this,
for the PCC?
no, I don't see them.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Konecki, P64800, on behalf of Mr. Vasquez. He is in the Wayne County Jail, and I would waive his presence for these purposes.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Send this matter for exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
August 28th at 9:30.
Your Honor, I'm scheduled to start a murder trial on the 28th. Could we go either the 31st or the 1st, if possible?
August 31st at 9:45.
That should work great, Judge. Thank you.
Huh? All right, anything else on that one?
Your Honor, I would indicate, it appears we have paper discovery, but I don't have any digital, if there is any in existence.
My records indicate we sent it, but, I'll double check on that, Mr. Connectney.
Thank you.
I did say 9:45, didn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's what I have,
Oh.
Judge.
All right, just want to make sure. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, Velasquez is in jail, Mr. Konecki?
Yes, he is.
Okay, they just logged down with him.
Oh, well, I'll hang out and talk with him if I can in a few minutes.
Okay, can we do this case and then I'll put you in a breakout room with him?
Absolutely, thank you.
Okay. Calling case number 2358364, the people of the state of Michigan versus Monterey Greer. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, delivering, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 50 grams. Count 2, controlled substances, maintaining a drug house. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Konecki, P64800, on behalf of Mr. Greer. I would ask to waive his presence, Your Honor.
All right, waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Send this matter for exam,
Yes, Your Honor, please.
10:15 on August 31st.
That should work great, Judge.
All right. All right, anything else?
I would indicate just that I believe we have paper discovery. I don't know if there's any digital, but we don't have it uploaded yet.
I don't have digital, I've emailed the OIC, and, I'll get back to you on that, Mr.
Fair enough, thank you.
All right, we'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Vasquez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so.
He should touch me. That's so. Yeah, so I want to know. I mean, they don't give us enough information. So like this. Why would you have to wait here?
You know how.
You got, he does things.
Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Harris. Good morning, Mr. Harris.
Good morning.
Who you here on?
I'm here on Joshua Towns.
Joshua Towns is on the 24th.
Well, this is his CCW case.
Let me see, because I don't see him on a docket.
Oh boy. Okay, so you put all of his matters on the 24th then, right?
I don't know. Let me check. I don't know nothing about no CCW.
Okay. I'm gonna let you check. I gotta check one thing. I'll just put you on mute.
Joshua Towns. That's just 25th.
Madam Clerk, I'm back.
All right, that says the 25th, but we'll do it on the 24th if you're gonna be on the 24th on the other one.
Yes, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Defendants, right?
I didn't hear what you said.
That's that case with the 3 defendants?
On the 24th, yes.
Okay, all right, yeah, we'll just do it on that day. I'll change it to the 24th.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
See you now. Bye.
All right, see you Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
What case, what number was that?
Oh, there's Mr. Konecki is gone, right? There's his defendant, right? The other case. That was Towns. Did you have him on a docket for today?
No, I didn't, I've got, if you said we're doing the CCW case on Thursday instead of.
No, the same day. It's in the system, it said Thursday, but he's got another case on Wednesday. So we can just do them both on Wednesday.
Wednesday or Thursday?
No, I told him that's when it was scheduled, was Thursday, but I said we'll do it on Wednesday.
Oh.
Cause he had another case.
Okay.
That's that one, three defendants.
But is that an exam or a PCC?
No, it's PCC.
Oh, okay, because it's PCC.
Oh, I'm sorry. You getting all
I'm
worried.
thinking subpoenas, so I'm just trying to.
Okay,
make notes, but okay.
you getting a little worried, Philip? We finished with Mr. Velasquez, right?
Yeah.
Wayne County Jail, we're done with Mr. Velasquez.
Yes, I'm right here. Oh, we done?
Yeah, and you talked to your attorney, right? Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Hey, they say they done with Mr. Velasquez. All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Thanks, boy. That's all we have for you guys.
Oh, okay, sounds great, thank you. All right, so I'm waiting on, I need Koriaki's attorney and Mr. Jacobs' attorney. Oh, we still got it. Oh, what's the name? Mr. Meek. Oh, instead of Crips.
It should be.
PCC, Jacobs. I appreciate it, Jacobs. Here, Gesture. It's, she said she went to she's coming.
Oh, on Jacob.
I can finally. Mr. Dyer's here too. 9:19.
What's going on with Mr. Dyer's case? With somebody, I think that's where it turned out.
I did, and Mr. Kuja said he was gonna zoom in on Friday. Did he?
Right, no, he never did. That, okay. I thought I remember something, but okay. Good morning, Mr. Greer.
Yes, ma'am.
Where's this case at?
8:31, 10:15.
Your next court date is August 31st at 10:15.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and it's an exam. You need to be here in person.
Okay.
All right. You have your attorney's phone number?
Yes, ma'am, I do. But it said I had a court date on the 21st and the 28th. So what about the 28th?
No, it's the 31st now.
Okay, all right. Okay, I got it. The 31st at 10:15, and I have to be where?
Here at 36th District Court, in person, courtroom 233.
Okay.
No t-shirts, no sweats.
All right. And I might need some help with something. I guess I ask in person what the help I need.
You need to call your attorney, sir.
Okay.
Okay. All right, you can log off.
All right.
All right, let me see if I can get, because Ms. Boyer is here, right?
Ms. Boyer is outside, yes.
Let me see if I can get.
What about Waller? 9 o'clock.
Oh, who's, oh,
And,
oh, is he here?
No. Mr. Dyer's here for 9:15, but it's.
Oh, Mr. Waller. Oh, he logged off. He was on here.
Mr. Martel, all right.
Maybe he realized. See if he talks to his phone, because I think I seen him log on early, but.
Mr. Martel, is your client outside?
Yeah, my client is on his way up. I talked to him, and he thought we were in. He assumed it.
Right, I seen him.
Told him to get down here immediately.
Okay, all right.
15 minutes ago.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Oh, there's Miss, Mary. She's on Jacobs. Miss O'Meara, did you need to talk to your client?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Mr. Jacobs?
Yes.
All right, perfect. You got your audio working, huh?
Yeah, I had to hook up my video camera.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney, okay?
Okay.
You see that invitation, accept it.
Okay.
All right. Oh, I hope she gave him. Oh. I hope they didn't assign him a new job. Boyer.
Yeah, I remember that.
This is Kitty Judge Giles. You got a PCC in front of Judge Giles today, Kiara Boyer. You remember? So, it was a case that they should have, spotted plan. You know, there was, it took a while. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, that. Yeah, that's what I was just telling you.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Oh, we have a couple pages.
Let's see if I drove it, because you got a lot for it, Judge.
Yeah, it was original. It was assigned to winter, winter. And he's not gonna be in, so. So did you turn this one down? Was this the one? It's a PCC today. All right. Oh. Okay. Yeah, she's here. She's in person. Right. I think maybe that was some confusion, but I'm pretty sure it was Judge Jefferson, the director of PCC. All right. It's 360-233-0. Yep. Okay. All right. They didn't even tell him.
Boyer?
Yeah, Boyer. I don't know if you remember, it was,
I remember.
yeah, supposed to be a different attorney and they never assigned him an attorney, I mean her.
Oh, so are they gonna?
He's logging on.
Oh,
Mr. Lincoln. He's at Frank Murphy, but he said he's gonna log on. All right. Who else?
Is that the one who had, Mr. Hussein from Gallup?
Yeah, Mr.
Winters,
Winters,
yeah.
yeah.
Have this, you want her in now? Boy, you might say have this word coming. One word.
Yeah, she can come in. Her attorney's supposed to be logging on. Still. Yes, legal.
Okay. Courtroom 233. Yes. Hey, what's this? What's your name? I don't think it is, but if it is, you'll let me know. But we got short right now. Oh, thank you very much. Mr. Leo. Short.
Ready.
10 o'clock, he's, Leo, you Leo Shorts.
What about Mr. Dyer's, his attorney's not here?
Kuja,
Yeah.
Mr. Kuja check in here? No.
Martell's attorney's not here yet?
That way, that way. We have short, he's in detention.
These attorneys must think Judge Giles is still gone.
Yeah. What it is, you know.
Crips office? Okay,
Uh,
you call Crips office?
I call. Oh, sure. Ready on Jacobs?
Yes.
Yes.
Calling case number 2358399, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rashid Jacobs. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 2, weapons only firearm, count 3, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon, count 4, weapons, felony firearm, count 5, weapons carried concealed, habitual offender, for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
And good morning, Your Honor. Catherine O'Meara, P53823 on behalf of Rashad Jacobs.
The Jacobs, can you state your name for the record, please?
Rashid Jacobs.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, today's the date and time for a probable cause conference in this matter. I do have paper discovery in this matter. I don't know if I don't believe I have the video, but we'd like to keep it on track for a preliminary exam.
August 28th at 10:30.
That's a good date for me. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Jacobs has an in-person exam, August 28th at 10:30, 36th District Court, courtroom 233. And please, no t-shirts or sweats.
Okay.
For court. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else, Ms. O'Meara?
No, Your Honor, I just asked if the prosecutor could check if there is any video to please forward that.
My records indicate that some digital has been sent. I'll check on that and get back with you.
Thank you.
All right, that concludes the hearing. You can sign off, Mr. Jacobs. Thank you.
Okay.
Calling case number 2357969, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kiara Boyer. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count 2, controlled substances, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Your Honor. Steve Mencken, P31562, appearing on behalf of Kiara Boyer.
Ms. Boyer, can you state your name, please?
Kiara Boyer.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, Mr. Minkin will set this matter for exam.
Your Honor, here's what happened on this case. This was Mr. Winter's case, and I think they called me up for a spot. And originally I told them I couldn't take it because at the time I wasn't available to do an exam because of my schedule. And I'm not sure when I got to schedule this because I have a jury trial next week. And the reason I wasn't even here the first time and didn't know I was going to be assigned to this case. I don't have a problem with taking it. The only problem is I may need, if I do set it for exam, I don't have any discovery yet, and I have a problem next week. I'm going to know if this trial gets adjourned today, then I'll be available. I'm going in front of Judge Edwards, and I think we're adjourning trial, but otherwise I started a jury trial starting on the 28th and 29th, and then I've got other trials on the other days. So That would be my only issue here. I don't know if you, I mean, I could, I'll know sometime this morning whether that trial is gonna go. And then if it doesn't, I could be available on the morning of the 28th. And I also have, actually, it would be best on the 29th. I could do it, but I don't know yet. I got to verify Judge Edwards is going to adjourn it. The prosecutor requested an adjournment because he's not available.
Mr. Minkin, we'll send you that discovery today. I'm sorry there's some confusion because of the appointment and coming from Mr. Lynch, but we'll send you the discovery today.
Okay, and I don't have, as far as my client, I don't have any information. I don't have contact information. I don't have anything.
Thank you.
All right. All right, Mr. Meekin, right now, we'll set this for August 28th at 11:15.
Okay.
If there's a problem and you find out today that you're going to actually go to trial on the 28th, just zoom back in tomorrow morning and contact the client. Well, we'll make sure she has your number and you have hers, because she's here.
Okay, I just need to, if I can give you my number on the record. If she calls me, that would be fine. Or somebody can write down my number for her.
Go ahead.
248-722-2027.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, and then you call me, Miss Boyer, a little bit later. I'm in court right now.
Okay.
Or text me your phone number.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Ms. Boyer? I'll do sweats and t-shirts in the courtroom, okay? T-shirts. We have to dress them.
Hey, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Your Honor,
Yes,
she wanted to let you know she has to apply something she don't have dress code.
I mean, just a blouse, next slide, so that's fine. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just,
Thank you.
Okay.
I got Mr. Cripps on.
Oh, okay.
Right.
He's got two cases. You didn't get a report on Williams, did you? I don't have a report.
No, I did not.
All right. You ready? You ready, Mr. Cripps?
Yes, I am.
Okay, calling case number 2356099. The people of the state of Michigan versus Jayon Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, carjacking, habitual offender for notice. Also calling case number 2162611. The people of the state of Michigan versus Jayon Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender for notice. These matters are scheduled for a competency hearing.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P8629.
Morning, Your Honor. David Cripps, P34972, appearing on behalf of Jayon Williams, who is incarcerated in the Wayne County Jail. I'm prepared to waive his presence, Judge.
All right, we'll waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing only because we do not have reports. Unless you got, did you get a report?
No, Your Honor, I haven't received a report yet from the Forensic Center.
Okay.
Neither have I.
All right. Tripp, are you available October 2nd at 8:30?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll make a phone call out there today to see what the holdup is.
Okay. All right. Anything else on this one?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, well, hold on, because you got a case on the September 1st.
He's got two, Judge.
Two cases on September 1st. I need to adjourn.
I know one of them is Devonta Davis and the other one is Terrence Jordan.
Correct. Tell me what to have on September.
We got a 9 o'clock. Oh, just a 9:30 right now.
9:30. Are you available September 5th?
I'm supposed to start a jury trial that day, Judge.
Okay, how long is it gonna go?
That case will probably go 3 days.
What about that month? Oh, that's a holiday. So September 8th, maybe? A Friday?
That I have a bunch of evidentiary hearings that day and sentences.
All right, what about the following week? Monday on the 11th? All right.
I'm starting two jury trials that week, one on the 11th and one on the 13th. Which are, right now, I'm told they're gonna go.
About week of the 18th.
I hate to say this, but I'm starting a jury trial that day. I have two of them scheduled in front of the same judge.
How long is it going?
That would be probably a 3-day trial. By the time we get a jury, you know. Which day, Your Honor?
You said the 21st or the 22nd?
The 21st, I could. I could do it the 22nd, Your Honor, in the morning. Friday.
You don't have anything, right?
No.
All right. 22nd, first thing or what?
Yes.
All right, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock and 9:30.
All right, so Davis at 9 and the other one at 9:30?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, that good shit.
Didn't you got case numbers or names or anything?
All right. Thank you, Mr. Tripp.
Have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you.
This one. How much did ask me about, Jackson?
Oh, yeah. He's gone.
Yeah, so,
And that's what I was thinking too when I called him. And I asked him about Jackson is.
With Mr. Krebs?
Is Silver, it's Gabby.
Mr. Krebs?
You want me to call him back to?
yeah, well, she may be covering her own, but, you know, we just need to know if she's coming. Go ahead and do, Mr. Wallace.
Party's ready, party's ready on Clinton Waller.
Ready, Judge.
Calling case number 2358141, the people of the state of Michigan versus Clinton Waller. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 2, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon, count 3, weapons carrying concealed, count 4, weapons, felony, firearms, count 5, weapons, felony, firearms. Habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Asia Lewis for the people, P85520.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this most honorable court, Edward Martell, P85051, on behalf of Clinton Waller, who stands to my right. Sir, please identify yourself for the record.
Clinton Waller.
Thank you. Ready to proceed?
Your Honor, at this time, the people are requesting an adjournment. Unfortunately, we did send subpoenas on, shortly after the preliminary exam was scheduled. However, there was a system error that left the subpoena's date and time blank. And I'm also able to show the court that that did occur. I can show you here on my computer, but we are requesting a short adjournment just so that we can get our officers here. This case is not, it's fairly new, and I'm sure that the officers would have been here today, but for that systematic error. So we are requesting an adjournment.
And Your Honor, if I may, certainly I got much respect for Sister Counsel and her office. You know, if things come up, however, Judge, people aren't prepared to proceed today. We are prepared to proceed, notwithstanding the clear Fourth Amendment violations here, Judge. In regards to the instant case, Judge, we are requesting to have this case dismissed. Certainly, if they want to refile, we welcome them, and we will raise this issue on the merits if they refile.
Any rebuttal?
Your Honor, as I stated, the people would have been ready to proceed. This system has been proven to show up, and we haven't had any of these issues prior, but unfortunately, upon checking right beforehand, when I noticed my officers weren't here, they're normally here early, the officers on this case in particular, but it was blank. And like I said, I can definitely show the court that those subpoenas did go out. However, the date and time was blank.
And Your Honor, if I could briefly.
No.
Thank you, Judge.
You know, her motion, you get argument,
Yes,
yes,
Judge.
rebuttal. That's all. I'll go back and forth. What do you have to show that it was done? It show the council clerk.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes, please.
This is the court. And the subpoenas. Yes, you see 8/9/23, the subpoenas were prepared. And then, yes, and then I open it here to process. And you can see the date and time is blank, and then I just show counselor as an example. of how it would look like today, on the third case, I just sent him subpoenas, and it says 8/20/21 there. And it clearly has the date and time, and it goes out, it will go out automatically. So it's just a systematic error that it ended up blank there.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right. I mean, this is a situation that really never occurred, as far as I'm aware. Court's gonna find good cause. I'm gonna put it over. I'll do it once. We keep having this kind of problem, I won't do it.
Okay, thank you.
So, have to make sure that whatever is been corrected. I'm gonna turn it over. Parties available August 28th at 10:45.
And we'll have to make that work.
Yes, sir.
I need a German form, please. August 28th at 10:45. Well, that's in person here.
Thank you, Judge. Always a pleasure.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. He's been trying to get it adjourned. But I told him a long time. Good morning, Wayne County Jail. What's your name?
J.I. Williams.
It's the Crips. That's the one we did.
Mr. Williams, have you been interviewed by the Center for Forensic Psychiatry yet?
Yes.
Okay, they haven't sent a report in, so we gotta get their report. So we're gonna come back, that's, when was that?
October 2nd.
October 2nd at 8:30. We gotta get that report. If it comes in earlier, we'll move the date up.
Okay.
All right. So definitely finish then, thank you.
I tried calling them.
That's a real word.
That's correct, Bill. The attorney for, Coriander. I haven't seen him in a while either, actually. Probably since this case. Yeah, I don't remember seeing him again. Yeah.
We'll put this at 10:45, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Good morning. This is Kitty Just Johnson. Today. Assigned to Gabby Silver. Douglas Jackson. Yeah, actually, he was on it. Okay, no, oh no, that's perfect. Thank you. All right. Ms. Silver is in trial.
Oh. Can we get somebody to come?
Yeah, she said it was Cribs come back.
What about, Coriander?
Yeah, yeah. Huh? Oh, I called, Mr. Koriakis is on, but I tried calling Mr. Miller. There's no answer. I did leave a message.
All right, get it replaced then.
I think. You said call for another attorney? Yeah, that's fine.
Clerk, what are we going about that?
And he does have a report, Judge.
Okay.
Have you talked to your attorney, Mr. Koriakis?
I reached out multiple times this past hour and 15 minutes, and I haven't gotten anything.
Okay, we're gonna get you another attorney, okay?
Okay. Thank you for your patience, Your Honor.
No problem. Thank you.
Matter scheduled for a competency hearing today. Judge wants it. Sorry.
Madam Clerk, good morning.
Good morning. It's 82237-02-778.
Or can you bring in Mr. Dyer?
Yes, correct. For a competency hearing today.
Mr. Dyer.
Oh, Mr. Dyer.
set up. Record it.
Is this Phillips' case or your?
Yeah, this is Phillips.
Yes.
Let me see if she's up there.
Something about the chair. So,
You ready, Philip? This is Mr. Dyer.
All right, Mr. Judge, you stand up.
Calling case number 1657406, the people of the state of Michigan versus Anthony Dyer. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance. Strike that, count 1, controlled substance, delivery, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 50 grams. Habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jamil Kuja, P71963.
Your Honor, on last week, I notified Mr. Kuja in the court that both of the necessary witnesses in this case, the person who collected the drugs and the person who tested the drug, were on furlough. They're not able to appear today, and I tried to get this resolved on the record last week, and we just didn't. But I did notify the court prior to today.
I don't have anything in this record saying that you notified the court on anything. I don't have a motion.
I didn't.
That's how you notify the court or something.
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't file a motion. I did send an email to Mr. Kuja, which he received, and I did send it to the court clerk. I did not file a formal motion, but
they're not the ones that make the decision.
I understand, Your Honor.
And the court's gonna only act on what's before it, which would be a motion, whether it's oral or in writing. You know, now I wasn't here, but there were judges here. And any one of those judges could have made a decision on good cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Kuja, why aren't you here? This matter was set for 9 o'clock.
I apologize, Judge. I got stuck. I'm still at Frank Murphy, and since he told me that he wasn't going to have witnesses for this executive proceeding, that's when I got that.
Okay, I have no idea what you just said. Can you?
I said, sorry, there was a little bit of noise. I'm at Frank Murphy, right across the street, Judge, and I got stuck here. And then since I knew that the prosecutor didn't have his witnesses available in any event, I got on Zoom.
And what's wrong with your phone? I guess I don't understand why you don't feel the need to even call us to let us know that there's a problem, that you're gonna be late. You just don't do anything. We have to call you.
I apologize for that, Judge. I tried calling the court's phone number and it just told me it was not in service. I don't know how that happens, but I called 965-2400 because that's the number I had for that courtroom. And it told me call
That's the general
be completed.
36th District Court. That's not my courtroom number.
I'm sorry. That's the number I called and it's not going to, nobody's picking up and their voice is on them.
You got any response to his motion?
No, Judge. He did email me last week. He did email me last week, Your Honor, about this, and given the unavailability of the officers, I think I leave it to the court. I'm not making an objection.
Well, that's not how I operate. You just, I understand you emailed the attorney, and you may have emailed my clerk. But if you want something on my docket, you put it on my docket. And you know how to do that. All you have to do is file a motion. Or make an oral motion in front of the judge. Let's hear, whatever judge, anytime you were here last week, you could have done that.
Yes, Your Honor. I tried to arrange a time with Mr. Kuja that he could zoom in and I could make that oral motion. For scheduling, that didn't work out.
Then you put it in writing and it forces them to show up.
Yes, Your Honor.
But that's how we operate. That's how we do things. That's how we get it done. So no, I can't find good cause at this point, because there was never a motion made until the day of. So at this point, man, it's gonna be dismissed without prejudice. And Mr. Dyer, you come back to my courtroom dressed in a t-shirt, you will not like what happens.
Yes, sir.
I think it's very disrespectful. All right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I just ask you to give me the same respect you want me to give you.
Yes, sir.
So please dress for court if you have to come back. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, everybody.
All right.
Our 10 o'clock is ready too.
Are you
Good morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay.
A few minutes early. I have an exam at 10.
Oh,
I'm gonna be a few minutes early, but a few minutes late.
we appreciate it.
Okay. Oh.
All right, if we're
It's just gonna
ready,
be a hold.
Petway.
Petway's gonna be on.
That was a whole.
I believe so, yes. Mr. Kuriakis, we're still waiting on your attorney, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Is there any way that we should like re-adjourn or whatever it is in this matter? Like, I just don't know exactly what to do going about it.
No, just try to sit tight for a few more minutes, okay? We just gotta give them time to get you another attorney.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Right there, these doors, we should just open it up, stay right here, or have a city attorney come in. He's trying to get off Zoom with some breeze. That's a pathway case, so I think we answered your body, sir. That's right, yes, thanks.
Apologize, Your Honor, I had to get out of the Zoom with Judge Sabri.
Oh, no, I understand, no problem. Thank you.
You ready, Kim? Yep. Calling case number 2358166, the people of the state of Michigan versus Lad Terrell Petway. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms discharged from a vehicle. Count 2, weapons carrying concealed. Count 3, weapons carrying concealed. Count 4, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 5, count 6, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Gary Anderson on behalf of the defendant, P27210.
Ready to proceed? Oh, sorry.
Last we're up that way.
Thank you, sir.
You get to see that.
All right, you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. It calls Navia Salinas to the stand. It says the very witness.
Last name, S-A-L-I-N-A-S. Perfect. Step this way, Judge will swear you in.
You swear or affirm to the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, pull the door towards you. See?
I'm so sorry.
All right. Salinas, you're gonna be asked a series of questions. First by the prosecutor, and the defense attorney will probably ask you questions, and I may or may not ask you some questions, all right? You have to answer all your questions out loud verbally using words. You just can't shake your head.
Yes, sir.
Or say, you have to say yes or no, whatever the answer is, okay?
Yes, sir.
Also, when you ask a question, I need you to just answer the question and stop. If it's a yes or no type question, just say yes or no. I'll have a tendency when we talk about something, especially that's been traumatic, and we go, this happened, this happened, this happened, this happened. Because we want to get the whole story out. If you do that, I'm going to miss something.
Yes, sir.
And if I miss something, I might not make the right decision. All right. I know nothing about this case. Only thing I know about this case is the defendant's name and what he's charged with. Not your name. That's all I know. I get all my information from what happens in court. All right. One question, one answer at a time. That way I can understand. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Could you please introduce yourself to the court?
I'm Nadia Salinas.
And Ms. Salinas, Did something happen on July 27th, 2023 that brought you to court here today?
Yes,
Okay. Where were you on that day?
I was outside of my home,
And where's your home located?
on Third Road,
And what's the address?
8262 Third Road,
Is
Detroit, Michigan, 48228.
Be more than happy.
Okay, we were just getting worried because we thought we were.
Good morning, Counselor.
Hi, good morning. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Who are you here on?
I'm here on Mr. Kuriakis.
Oh, okay. I tried to chat. Do you need a breakout room with him?
Just momentarily, yes, I just received the file a few minutes ago.
Okay, I have a report. Do you need me to email it to you?
That'd be great. Would you like me to put my email in the chat?
Yes, please. And then I'll put you in
All
the
right.
breakout room.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Kuriakis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with your attorney. Please accept the invite. You should see it on your screen. Did you get a report?
I did.
Huh? You did?
I did.
You need to see it, Judge.
So we have, excuse yourself, sir.
Here's here, Harris.
He's here and it's gonna be a whole.
Here's.
Yes, it's gonna be. He's here, the defense attorney, so it's gonna be.
I haven't seen him yet.
Did you need a copy of this, Counsel?
Yes.
Okay. Judge, we have an exam at 11 o'clock, Willie Johnson. It's a substitute of attorney. The attorney is here. You okay? It's for you to sign, so order.
Oh, I'll do it.
Okay.
Good kid. Would you have my partner, he's up here. Is Mr. Johnson moving? Yeah, okay.
Yep, please.
Calling case number 2358176, the people of the state of Michigan versus Trayvon Pearson. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 3, weapons felony firearm. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Morning, Your Honor. Chester Jeanette, P83295, representing Mr. Trayvon Pearson, who's present to my right. Mr. Pearson, please state your name for the record.
Trayvon Marquis Pearson, Your Honor.
Pearson, can you tell me why you're wearing a t-shirt in my courtroom?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't have any clothing. I try to go shopping. I'm live by myself. You know, I'm on hard times right now. I had a previous incident. I'm just trying to recover my life. I wasn't able to get anything. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I did not mean to disrespect your court.
Thank you. You ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the people called Keith Williams to the stand. He's a civilian.
Keith? Hi, your first name is Keith?
Yes.
Keith
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Step this way in front of me.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have some documents, yeah, no.
Yeah, this is what I had to
find you, that's it.
Oh, okay. You come on, I'll pull the door towards you. You gotta sit right there with Williams. All right, Mr. Williams, you're gonna be asked a series of questions. First by the prosecutor, the defense attorney will probably ask you some questions, and I may or may not ask you questions, all right? You have to answer all your questions out loud verbally, using words, just can't shake your head or say, you have to say yes, no, whatever the answer is.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Also, when you ask the question, I need you to answer the question and stop. If it's a yes or no type question, just say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
If they need additional information, they'll just ask you another question. Y'all have a tendency when we talk about something, especially if it's been traumatic, we tend to ramble. You know, we can say, because we want to get the whole story out. This happened, this happened, this happened. If you do that, I'm gonna miss something. I know Vision for ring on the information, which will be September 5th at 9 o'clock. Anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, take care. And Ryan, continue for that.
Parties ready on Cody Koriakis?
Ready.
Calling case number 2355475, the people of the state of Michigan versus Cody Koriakis. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, police officer fleeing, 3rd-degree vehicle code, count 3, weapons felony firearm. This matter is scheduled for a competency hearing.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
And good morning, Your Honor. Jihad Kadaf, P82492, appearing on behalf of Mr. Cody Koriakis.
Mr. Koriakis, can you state your name for the record, please?
Koriakis,
Full name.
Cody James Koriakis.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
All right, counsel?
Your Honor, I'm requesting a preliminary exam with respect to this matter.
Okay, well, first we have to deal with the competency issue. Court has in its possession a report on the letterhead, State of Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, Center for Forensic Psychiatry, dated July 6th, 2023. And it's authored by a Deanne Yunt, Y-O-U-N-T, PhD, licensed psychologist. All parties have that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are you stipulating to the results of the report?
The people are.
So stipulated, Judge.
All right, and based on that stipulation, the court's going to make a finding that the defendant is in fact competent to stand trial, as it so states in the report, and this matter will then go forward. Okay. Counsel, are you available August 28th at 11:45?
Yes, Your Honor. I actually have an 11 a.m. exam in front of this honorable court on the same date and time.
Oh, okay. No.
What date was that, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
August 28th. Are we doing both? We'll put them both at 11 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge. We'll see you on the 28th at 11 a.m. and you must be in court, Mr. Koriakis, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Judge Deanne?
Get it later. It's reported. Oh, I don't know. I just need it.
Judge Kim said she needs the docket name.
Deanne is Deanne on the doctor on that report.
Oh.
I got the last name and I want to make sure.
Okay.
There's a million ways we could spell it.
First name is capital D, then E, capital A, and N.
No, okay, perfect, thank you.
person?
This is Willie Johnson, George.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, we did.
Yeah, we did. Calling case number 2357984, the people of the state of Michigan versus Willie Johnson. Defendant is charged with count 1, stalking aggravated, count 2, malicious destruction of a building, less than $200, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Agent Lewis for the people, P85520.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Kenneth Bernier on behalf of Mr. Johnson, who's standing here to my right, 57151.
Willie Johnson III.
Thank you. All right, you ready to go forward?
Your Honor, at this time, the people are ready to proceed, but I believe defense counsel has something to say to the court.
Yeah, so that's correct, Judge. I was newly retained, just retained last week. I haven't received a copy of the police reports. I have received numerous videos and documents from Mr. Johnson that I haven't had the time to review. I'm asking for one short adjournment to get up to speed on this matter, Judge, perhaps 1 week or 2 weeks. Thank you.
No, I don't do that. When you accept the case, you accept the dates for one. If you've had you said you got the information, you don't have the information.
I don't. Some of it I
Did you ask for discovery?
No, I asked for the prior attorney. He said he would email it to me. He has not as of yet done that, Judge.
I'll put it over for a very short period. I normally don't put them over at all.
Well, I appreciate that, Judge.
At all. And then you need to get a discovery order into the court to sign and so it can be served on the prosecutor. So that's what I go by.
I understand.
Contacting the other attorney doesn't mean anything.
Karen, I know that you're looking for a date, but the people would also like to address bond.
Okay, we'll do that in a minute. Let's get a date first.
Yeah, sure.
One thing at a time. Be available August 29th at 9:15.
I'll make that work, Judge.
Okay. What's your issue?
Your Honor, I do have my complainant witness here today, and she is scheduled to meet with Corporal Randy Wilson regarding all of these claims, but at this time, the defendant is in violation of his the personal protective order, which has been in place since February of 2023. The defendant has made contact with the victim on numerous occasions.
Okay, hold on. I don't care if he's in violation of protection order, because I don't have anything to do with that at this point. I care about whether or not he violated the condition. Now, he was placed on bond. Was set July 22nd.
And since then, Your Honor, the defendant has made several, made contact with the victim on several occasions, in which I do have the victim here who can testify
Bring
to
it
all
back
of those.
in. I hear from her.
Just so that emergency bond, that was heard with Judge Williams.
It
And
was
he
heard by
denied
Judge
it.
Williams. You denied it? Well, why are you bringing it back up now?
I'm not,
That was last week, Judge.
So this issue's already been heard.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm not aware of it, and, fine here. If I can have 1 second.
These are two next door neighbors, Judge, that just by stepping outside of their doors, they're in violations of, each has PPOs on the
Take it
other.
back out for a second. So this was last week? Name first, I want my record to be clear.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people under P 86-029. Apparently I filed the bond motion, but I wasn't in the courtroom on the day it was argued by the courtroom APA, and it was denied. Ms. Lewis and I haven't had a chance to talk this morning about this specifically, so I didn't know if there was something additional that may have taken place between them, but I believe this is based on the original, based on the things that were addressed in that bond motion, Your Honor. So my apologies to the court for us not communicating more clearly.
Karen, can I just have 1 second with the victim just to confirm that nothing else has happened since that, bond hearing of last week?
Sure. Yeah.